Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change business hours in ZenDesk. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you want to change your business hours and help your customers to know your availability on ZenDesk, then first open up a web browser and log into your ZenDesk account. Type in www.zendesk into the search bar and press enter on your keyboard. Log into your account like you normally do, and once you're inside, from the main home page, click on the admin icon on the left hand side menu. Click on Go to Admin Center link at the top. From the left hand side menu, click on Objects and Rules. Scroll down and find Schedules under Business Rule and give it a click. Click on Add Schedule on the next page and enter the schedule name by clicking on the pencil icon at the top. Once you are done, select your time zone from the drop down, and then inside your weekly schedule, you can keep the default business hours or simply modify the business hours. If you want to move a block of time, drag the time up or down on that particular day. To remove hours from a day, simply click on the cross icon in the upper right corner of the time block. Soon after you do that, the day will be displayed as closed. To add hours to a closed day, click anywhere in the closed day and you'll be able to see a time block appear. Simply go ahead and move the time block up or down in order to set the timetable for that particular day. And then once you are done making your changes, click the Save button at the bottom right. You can also click on the Holidays tab at the top, and then if you want to add any holiday in your schedule to your scheduled business hour, simply go and click on Add Holiday and enter the name of your holiday. Type in the start date by choosing from the calendar and enter the end date for your holiday, and finally click on the Confirm button. After you are done adding a holiday as well, click on the Save button, and that is how you can easily change your working hours or your business hours on ZenDesk. That is how it can be done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.